Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A luxurious modern tropical villa with a stunning open design that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. The house features an A-frame architectural style with expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering breathtaking views of the lush greenery outside. The living area is furnished with elegant wooden furniture, neutral-toned cushions, and warm ambient lighting, creating a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. Upstairs, a balcony with glass railings overlooks the spacious interior, adding depth and openness to the design. The villa is surrounded by dense tropical plants and tall palm trees, enhancing the sense of harmony between architecture and nature. Stunning modern glass house set amidst lush tropical greenery. The structure features sleek black frames with expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering uninterrupted views of the surrounding nature. Warm wooden ceilings and decking create a cozy contrast with the dark metal and glass elements, enhancing the natural contemporary blend. The house is beautifully illuminated from within, radiating a welcoming glow that reflects gently on the still water in the foreground. Potted plants and vibrant foliage accentuate the outdoor space, giving it a harmonious connection to the tropical environment. A stunning modern tropical house seamlessly integrated with its lush natural surroundings. The architecture features large glass windows framed with warm wooden structures, allowing abundant natural light to flow inside. A spacious wooden deck extends outward, leading directly to a serene pond bordered by rocks and vibrant green plants. Tropical ferns, palms, and potted plants surround the house, enhancing the tranquil and organic atmosphere. The interior, visible through the wide-open glass doors, showcases a cozy dining space illuminated by hanging pendant lights. The overall setting radiates a harmonious blend of modern design and nature, creating a peaceful retreat-like ambience. Luxurious modern villa perched on a hillside, blending contemporary architecture with nature. The house features large glass walls and expansive balconies that open up to breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery. A striking infinity-edge swimming pool extends outward, appearing to merge seamlessly with the lush forest landscape below. The exterior design emphasizes clean lines, open spaces, and natural elements, with wood accents and stone details adding warmth and elegance. Comfortable lounge chairs and outdoor seating areas enhance the sense of relaxation, making the residence feel like a private retreat immersed in tropical beauty. A luxurious modern villa overlooking the ocean at sunset. The architecture features sleek contemporary lines with a combination of natural stone, wood, and glass, creating an elegant yet tropical atmosphere. The expansive outdoor deck is furnished with stylish white cushioned lounge chairs and sofas, inviting relaxation by the infinity pool that seamlessly blends into the horizon. Palm trees surround the property, enhancing the serene coastal vibe. The upper floor includes spacious balconies adorned with greenery, offering stunning panoramic views of the sea. Warm golden light bathes the scene, adding a tranquil and romantic ambience to this idyllic retreat. Luxurious modern two-story house surrounded by lush tropical greenery. The architecture combines sleek, clean lines with expansive glass walls that open up the interior to natural light and scenic views. Warm wooden panels and stone accents add a natural yet elegant contrast to the contemporary design. The house is built into rocky terrain, with vibrant plants and cascading flowers enhancing its harmony with nature. In front, an inviting swimming pool reflects the house and surrounding greenery, while several modern lounge chairs line the poolside, creating a serene and sophisticated outdoor living space. A stunning modern tropical villa at sunset. The two-story residence features sleek, contemporary architecture with clean lines, expansive glass windows, and warm wooden accents. The ground floor opens seamlessly to an outdoor living area with luxurious sun loungers arranged beside a large infinity-edge swimming pool, which reflects the soft glow of evening lights. Upstairs, private balconies extend from the bedrooms, offering panoramic views of the lush palm trees and the ocean beyond. Surrounded by tropical landscaping and illuminated by elegant ambient lighting, the villa creates a perfect blend of luxury, relaxation, and natural beauty in a serene coastal paradise. Luxurious modern two-story house surrounded by lush tropical greenery. The architecture combines sleek horizontal lines with large glass windows, creating an open and airy atmosphere that blends seamlessly with nature. Warm wooden panels and stone accents add an elegant, natural touch to the contemporary design. On the rooftop, solar panels highlight the home's eco-friendly features. The outdoor area includes a serene swimming pool reflecting the soft evening lights, with comfortable lounge chairs set up for relaxation. Soft garden lighting illuminates the surrounding palm trees and plants, enhancing the tranquil and inviting ambience. A stunning modern tropical house surrounded by lush greenery. The architecture features sleek horizontal lines, large floor-to-ceiling glass windows, and a flat roof, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Warm wooden accents blend harmoniously with the surrounding nature, while the interior glows with cozy lighting, offering a welcoming ambience. The outdoor area includes a wooden deck with elegant lounge chairs and carefully placed plants, seamlessly connecting the indoor and outdoor living spaces. Stone pathways and a reflective water feature enhance the tranquil, resort-like setting, making the home appear like a luxurious retreat nestled in nature. A luxurious beachfront villa with a modern tropical design. The house features natural wooden accents, large glass walls, and open living spaces that seamlessly connect the indoors with the outdoors. In front of the villa, there is an elegant infinity pool that curves toward the edge, blending beautifully with the view of the turquoise ocean. Comfortable sun loungers and round cushioned seating are arranged on the spacious wooden deck, creating a perfect spot for relaxation. Surrounded by palm trees, lush greenery, and smooth coastal rocks, the setting exudes serenity and exclusivity, offering a tranquil escape in a tropical paradise.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.